Some doors don't lead to another room. They lead to another century. Welcome to Haret El-Roum, one of the oldest Christian neighborhoods in Cairo. Haret El-Roum, a forgotten alley where history still whispers. As centuries passed, the world changed, but the alley remained. Today, thousands pass by without knowing the story beneath their feet. For centuries, these churches preserved faith, knowledge, and traditions that shaped the history of Old Cairo.
History isn't only found in museums, it's still alive in the streets of Cairo. Come and experience it for yourself.